Hey guys, so today's unboxing is our unboxing Boxy Base and Premium. A little information about BoxyCharm. The base box is of course $25. I've already opened it. And then our premium box is $35 a month. Base comes in with 5 products. About I think $125 of value. So if anyone has questions about these products or my premium products, let me know. But we're going to dive right in and see what we got. I'm excited. I kind of hope I get the eyeshadow palette, but I don't know. Alright, so like I said, I've already opened it, and this is what it looks like inside. We got our little card right here, and yeah. Alright, so my first thing, I don't have the eyeshadow palette. Okay. Oh man, I actually threw away my brow gel thing, because I don't use brow gel that often, but I guess I'll give it a try. I don't know. It is a clear brow gel by Billion Dollar Brows. This is what it looks like really plain packaging. I'm gonna do a whole BoxyCharm with Luxe Premium and also base try on. So yeah. Alright, and this is what the brow gel looks like. It's nothing too crazy, but yeah, it's just a brow gel. I'm not really interested in this, but I will try it out. So this value is for $18. Okay, I have a huge mess. I don't know what to do right now. Alright. So one of my videos, or a live that I'm going to do, I will do a whole entire try on with the products that I got through BoxyCharm Base, Premium, and also Luxe. So if you guys have questions about that, just let me know. I don't know exactly when I'm going to go and do that, but I am eventually. Alright, so the next thing is the Cab lip oil, very plain white box or packaging. It has a holographic of the names of here, and this is a hydrating lip oil, and it values for $20. I'm getting tired of lip oils, aren't you guys? This is what it looks like. Someone on YouTube that I follow, she has a blue one. I don't know why I don't. It smells like vanilla. I hate vanilla. Alright, so my next thing is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a bright orange. This value is for $22, and it is orange. I have so many setting sprays that I need to use up. It does not smell like a rose. It smells something different. I don't know. Alright. This is the 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. I have no idea what that is. Oh my. Massage a pea-size amount in small circular motions onto expression lines. So is this really like a contouring, or do you put it where you need it in your lines? I don't know, but this value is for $140. Now this brand is insanely expensive. I would never ever buy it like that. like that much money. $140? No. No, thank you. No, thank you, sir. Alright. Next thing is, I have so many mascaras. But I don't care. You guys have no idea how many mascaras I have right now. I wanted to try this so bad. That's the reason why I actually got the base box for this month, because I really wanted this. So it is the Damn Girl mascara, 24 hours. And I've been wanting to try this. I just did not get the guts to like pay that much. So I did hear that this product is moussey, which I'm not really looking forward to that, because sometimes I don't like that kind of product, or moussey mascaras. But I mean, of course I will scrape as much off as I can, but this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to try it. I'm excited to try all my products. The Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, it values for $26. So, yeah, I'm excited. Now on to my premium box. Like I said, it is, oh, I thought I opened it. It is $35 a month. And you get, I think, 6 to 7 items in your box. So I definitely enjoy this box. Like, this is what it looks like. So I'm excited to try it. I know my pick item is, but yeah. Okay, so that's cool. Alright, so let me see. Alright, I got the Kypris, oh my gosh, Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. That's cool. This values for $145, which is insane to me. I don't know why anyone would want to pay that much money. So here is the Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. So this is really cool to try. I mean, I know that this brand is actually really expensive. I don't get it very often. I don't know. Here is the palette. Really cute packaging. It has the flap right here, and this is what the palette looks like. Okay. Wow, that's... Okay, so someone did say that they're really glittery shimmer colors. So I might have a problem with it, but I don't know. But I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So these are the colors that just swatched. The green on the top is called Starlight. The second color is called Diamond Fire. The third color is Sun Glitter. The fourth is Gold Aura. And then Shadow Alchemy is the brown. I kind of like the brown, but I don't know. I will be definitely trying that on. I'm excited. If I can hurry up and do what I need to do, I might try to do not only my try on, but try on for like my Luxe, my base, and also my premium box today. I'm hoping I can get to that, but I don't know. Like, I cannot determine that. Cannot. Alright, so the next thing is the Beauty Diva London. It's the Diva Eye Brush Set. So it is a kind of cute brush set. I've heard good stories and bad stories about this. But personally, brushes are brushes to me. I don't know. I guess it just depends on how they perform on anyone's face or eyes. But they kind of look like they're kid brushes. I don't know. The last couple of times they gave us like brushes and they're like literally... Okay. No, they don't seem too bad. They just look really, like really kitty kind of things. I don't know. I guess whenever I get the chance to, I'll try them out. But, I mean, they're really interesting. It's something that I probably would never have chosen for myself. I don't think I would ever get these. They look cute. I don't know. They look really cute, but they're like really kind of chunky and like kid like. But this set values for $48. I would not pay $48 for that. I would not. Okay, so my next thing is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow, which is $20. If I can, like, you know, get it open, you know. I hate these little boxes. Alright, let's see. Their single shadows are $20. This is what it looks like. They're like so nice and soft. This is actually a really pretty green. Super pigmented. I really like this color. It's like a gold green shift. So it's going to be really nice to try that out too. Like I said, I am seriously going to try to work my butt off and get what I need done. I did not do anything yesterday. Alright, this is Kiss My by Rowan. Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. Oh my god. I got the color Charlie. I'm like literally putting all this stuff right next to me. Okay, so let's try it. So it is like a lip gloss lip balm thing. It is a really pretty color. And it smells minty. Ooh. So this values for $48. I'm excited to try that. Alright, the next thing is the Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This is coconut water, probiotic ingredient, and skin revivers. So I'm excited to try this. This was actually my choice item. Oops. And this value is for $35. This is actually a really big tube of primer. I cannot wait to get rid of, not to get rid of my primers, but just to use up the primers that I do have. So I'm excited. Okay, so this is the IGK NYC MIALA Prenup Instant Hairspray Hair Mask. So is it a hair mask or is it hairspray? I don't know. So this high-powered in-shower treatment. Okay, so it is a hair mask. So this is $32. I do actually like IGK. I have used a couple of products from them through BoxyCharm. That's how I got to know them, and I actually really enjoy IGK. I have this I had this hair conditioner, if that's what you want to call it, leave-in hair conditioner. I used to use that like every day, and I loved it. Of course, I was out. I got out. I mean, I have another one. I just haven't opened it yet. I'm just trying to pilfer through the products that I got. But I know IGK is a really good brand. I love it. And that is all for Boxy Premium, you guys. So I have, I'm gonna keep these cards so I can put them down on my post. But my next video will probably be ColourPop. I got a bunch of stuff in here. I got ColourPop, I got Ofra, Beachbody, and another box. So I'm gonna hop off here and you guys are gonna see me in like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And yeah, so make sure if you guys are catching the end of this, I'm sorry, I kind of went through this really quickly, not real, maybe quickly, I don't know. I have no idea. So if you guys are catching the end, just catch the replay, hashtag replay if you guys do not mind, or really quickly, hashtag live. Totally up to you guys. But I will see you all soon, and I'm going to be doing unboxings, and then I'm going to do a makeup live, just so you all know. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye.